Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Chevy TrailBlazer and how to change the low beam headlight bulbs. I'm going to be upgrading them to LED. It's very simple and easy to do. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right now, as you guys can see, my original ones are these halogen yellowish bulbs. They're 9006 HB4. And my replacement is right here. So I'm going to be changing that, and let's get started. To change the bulb, you're first going to open your hood, and then we have to remove the front grille. And to remove the grille, it's pretty easy. There's one tab here, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 are just going to pop out. You stick the screwdriver in and pull out. And then there are 2 tabbings underneath the grille. And then there are 2 tabs behind this chrome strip on each side of the headlight. So 2 here and 2 on that side, and they're pretty easy to pop out. You're going to stick a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool in here and gently just start prying out. Once you pry out, it's going to start coming out, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. I've removed all the tabs and now the grille is free, and we can just completely pull it out. And now to get our headlight assembly out, there are 2 tabbings, one here and one right back there, and they're pretty easy to remove. You just grab a pry tool and just lift up the tab, and the same thing right here, and then just wiggle your assembly a little bit and pull it out. And the last thing, to get our headlight assembly out, you just remove these few connectors that are connected to the back of the headlight assembly. And now by removing the 2 electrical connectors, the headlight assembly comes right down, and it's very easy to access our bulbs. This is our high beam bulb, and the other side is our low beam bulb. To remove our old bulb, you just counterclockwise twist it, comes right out, and then unplug the electrical wire. Then I'm going to grab my new LED, reconnect the electrical wire, and then I'm going to insert my new LED into the socket and lock it into place. And now I'm going to reinstall the headlight assembly back into place and reinstall our grille. And now I'm going to show you guys my new LED headlights. As you guys can see, they're very white and very bright, and the upgrade was really inexpensive and very easy to do. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.